In this room we have an interactive touchscreen. It's also height adjustable, so using these buttons I can lower or raise the screen. These are the control buttons and it's all labeled here. So to turn on, I'll press the power. I need to touch here and wait a couple of seconds for the screen to change to this page, and now I can select the desired input. So I'll press the cog icon. I want to use the lectern PC, so I'll select that. So I've got a web page on the computer. I can scroll through in that way. Can go back on the page. If it's a PowerPoint, I can flick through the slides. I can also zoom in. This EZ icon here allows me to annotate on anything that's on the screen. So you can select this. I want to use the red color, and I can annotate like so. To get rid of the annotation, I just need to press the EZ again. On either side of the screen, there are those tabs, and these they bring up some other features, some other functions. So for example, there's the spotlight tool. So this will allow me to focus on a particular part of the screen. I can also adjust, say, the opacity here. There's also the countdown tool. And we've got the stopwatch. Another feature of this display is the digital whiteboard. To access the whiteboard, I need to click on this tab again, and it's the second icon here. With the pen tool, I've got a choice of color. I can write using my finger. I can also increase the size of it. This button here will create a new blank page, and I can also use this pen to write, so I can write using this. If I want to erase something, I can use my hand like so for a small eraser, or by having my hand in this way, I can have a larger eraser. These arrows here allows me to flick in between the different pages. To go back to the lectern PC, I just need to click on this cog here and then select lectern PC.